In Chapter 7, Problem 8, we are asked to calculate essentially the maximum monthly car payment this couple could afford. Right now they have take-home pay of $2,000 and they already have a car payment of, let's say, $150. And basically they would like to try to figure out how much more per month they could afford on a car if they didn't want to exceed a 15% debt limit. So first we were asked to calculate the couple's current debt limit, assuming their debt limit ratio actually, assuming that the current car payment of $150 and their current take-home pay of $2,000 represents all their debt and all their take-home pay. So I take $150 divided by the $2,000, so their current debt limit ratio is 7.5%. If they can afford a 15% debt limit ratio, let me just put the word ratio there, then it basically what they could afford in total debt is 15% times that $2,000. So they could afford to make total debt payments per month of $300. They're currently making $150, so they could afford an extra 300 minus 150, which is obviously 150. That's with a 15% debt limit ratio, but they also asked us to do this with a 20% debt limit ratio. So with a 20% debt limit ratio, they times their current take-home pay of $2,000, they could afford to make debt payments of $400 a month. They're currently making $150 debt payments a month, so take the 400 minus the 150, so that's how much extra they could afford on a new car.